principal, honorable teacher, or my school fellow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today, by the grant of Allah Almighty, I have got speech on an opportunity that deliver the topic of dignity of a Muslim. An Abi Hurairah radhiyallahu anhu an Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam قال المسلم من المسلم الناس من اللسان ويده. Narrated by Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu anhu. The proper Huzur sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a virtuous Muslim is the one whose tongue and hand do not harm other people. Comment: human rights are the most important after one's belief, obligatory duties, and Allah's right. And Allah's right it also now that Allah